Want custom fonts on Squarespace 7.1? Here's the 2026 method in 1 minute. Step 1. Open your site, go to Design, then Custom CSS. Upload your .waf2 and .waf files using Manage Custom Files. Name each file clearly. Step 2. Add an @font face rule in Custom CSS referencing the uploaded file URLs. Paste the @font face snippet with your file URLs and a clear font family name. Save the CSS, clear your browser cache, and confirm the font files uploaded successfully. Step 3. Open Design, then Site Styles to apply your new font to headings and body text. If the font doesn't appear in drop-downs, add a simple CSS rule assigning your font family to headings and body. Tip: include multiple weights and use WAF2 for performance. Step 4. Preview on desktop, tablet, and mobile in the Squarespace Preview tool. Step 5. Test on multiple browsers and real devices, and check slow network behavior. Done! Your custom fonts are live on Squarespace 7.1. See the full guide linked below for code snippets and troubleshooting.